Hey, thanks. Come here, girl. Come on. You know, it could give you that extra time to spend together. And after all, isn't that time together worth everything? I mean, it's as simple as picking up the phone or clicking a mouse to find out how you can try Dr. Prang's oral care. Please, do it for your best friend's health and longevity. Call and order right now. Give me 5. Yeah.
Would you like to possibly add healthy years to your best friend's life? Stay tuned to see how easily you can possibly give your pet a longer, healthier life with a revolutionary breakthrough in pet health care, and see how you can try it for free. Our pets are one of the greatest joys in our lives, and now you can do something for them and you by possibly giving your dog or cat the gift of a longer life with you and better health with Dr. Prang's Oral Care Formula. By just adding Dr. Prang's Oral Care to your pet's drinking water, you have a simple system that takes only seconds, but could give you years more with your best friend. And it's made in the USA. Just like in humans, oral hygiene is critical for your pet's overall health and longevity. Veterinarians recommend good oral care and brushing your pet's teeth. But who has the time and energy to brush your dog or cat's teeth every day? Besides the bad breath, poor oral care can lead to plaque, tartar, and bacteria buildup, leading to serious health issues. The American Veterinary Dental Society reports that 80% of dogs and 70% of cats show signs of oral disease by age 3, and that can be severe trouble for your pet. Imagine if you never cleaned your teeth. The first sign of poor oral health in dogs or cats is the one everyone knows and hates: bad breath. It's caused by bacteria buildup and can lead to other serious problems like gum inflammation. Often this makes eating painful. What a terrible way to go through life. The bacteria in your pet's mouth can easily transfer into the bloodstream, where it can affect their vital organs, making them feel awful all the time and possibly taking years off their lives. But now, with Dr. Prang's Oral Care, there's a simple solution to making your pet's breath, teeth, gums, and overall health better than ever before, possibly adding years to their lives with you. And by calling today, you have the opportunity to try it for free. This highly developed oral health formula has been specially created by Dr. John Prang, a well-known veterinarian for over 35 years. It's been developed with safe, proven ingredients that are made in the USA. Our exclusive proprietary ingredient eliminates or reduces bacteria and plaque. Plus, it has aloe vera and coenzyme Q10 to help fight gum inflammation. Daily use makes your pet's breath clean and fresh from their very first drink. There are other products that claim to help bad breath and tartar buildup, but look at the ingredients and the additives and dyes. Many of these ordinary oral formulas have flavors dogs and cats don't like. And where are those products manufactured? Dr. Prang's Oral Care is odorless and tasteless. Your pet won't even notice it's there. And every time they take a drink, it's like a free trip to the vet for an oral treatment. Using the easy pre-measured dispensing bottle, simply make a batch of treated water and give that to your pet for their bowl every day. With Dr. Prang's Oral Care, nothing could be safer and easier. And right away, you'll notice better, fresher breath. And in as little as 30 days, you'll see their teeth and gums improve dramatically, reducing tartar, plaque, and bacteria buildup. And you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you've done something really effective for their well-being and happiness. Plus, if you have a puppy or kitten, using Dr. Prang's Oral Care formula every day can keep their teeth and gums looking and feeling young well into their senior years, and can give you more time with a healthier friend. Going to the veterinarian for dental surgery can really be stressful and sometimes dangerous for your pet, and can cost thousands of dollars. Even oral exam visits can cost hundreds and hundreds. Using those other formulas can cost a ton, and will your dog or cat really like it? And who has the time or patience to try and brush your pet's teeth every day? Bacteria in the mouth could lead to serious long-term health problems, even life-threatening illness, so the time to act is right now. Call now and order your first 30-day supply of Dr. Prang's Oral Care Formula. This one bottle makes an enormous 24 gallons of drinking water for your pet and normally sells for $29.95. That's pennies a day to help keep your best friend around a lot longer. But we're so certain you'll see amazing results and your pet will look and feel better by using this breakthrough oral treatment that will give you your first 24-gallon supply of Dr. Prang's Oral Care Formula for free. You only pay the shipping. Call now and see how you can automatically be enrolled in Dr. Prang's Healthy Pet Club, where you'll receive the doctor's personal informative newsletter each and every quarter. There's health tips and pet news, as well as special discounts on fantastic products and services just for you and your pet. This newsletter subscription is an over $50 value, but it's free when you join Dr. Prang's Healthy Pet Club.
I guarantee that you'll see incredible results using my specially developed oral care formula, and I'll back that with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If your pet doesn't experience fresher, cleaner breath, and if you don't see their teeth and gums improve in as little as 30 days, just send it back for a full product refund.
This valuable trial offer is limited and is not available anywhere else. But order now and you get to try it for free for just the shipping. Give your best friend the gift of good health and help to possibly add years to the time you both have together. And that all starts with Dr. Prang's Oral Care Formula. Here's to your pet's good health. Call and order right now.